Once upon a time there was a girl who worked as a laundress at a local restaurant. She worked hard every day to earn a living, and sometimes she barely had enough money to buy a meal. One day, when finishing her shift, the girl noticed that there were leftovers on the tables. She asked the waiter if she could take them home, and he agreed, thinking it was a kind gesture. However, when she left the restaurant with the food, some people on the street saw her and started laughing at her. They made fun of her for taking food that had already been served to someone else. What the girl didn't know is that there was a hidden camera in the restaurant that recorded everything that happened. The restaurant owner, who had installed the camera, was shocked to see how some people treated his employee. He decided to confront the people who had laughed at the girl and explain to them that it wasn't right to make fun of someone for trying to save some food. He also gave the girl a raise and promised to provide her with a meal every day. From that day on, the girl began to be treated with more respect by colleagues and customers at the restaurant. She continued to work hard and eventually became a supervisor, inspiring others with her dedication and determination. The incident taught everyone a valuable lesson about compassion and empathy and showed that even the smallest actions can have a big impact on someone's life. As news of the incident spread, many people began to praise the restaurateur for his kind gesture towards his employee. The restaurant gained a lot of positive publicity, and many new customers started showing up to show their support. The girl who had eaten the leftovers was surprised and impressed by the sudden attention she was getting. She never imagined that her simple act of reaching for some food would lead to such a positive outcome. With the support of her peers and clients, she continued to work hard and improve her skills. She learned to cook and started to help in the kitchen at busy times. Her dedication and hard work paid off, and she was soon promoted to head chef. The restaurant has become a popular spot in town, known for its delicious food and friendly staff. The girl who was once laughed at for eating leftovers is now a respected chef, admired by her colleagues and clients alike. Over the years, the restaurant continued to grow and expand, opening new branches in different cities. The girl who picked up leftovers became a manager, overseeing the operation of several branches. Looking back on her journey, she realized that sometimes the most unexpected events can lead to the greatest opportunities. She appreciated the support and kindness she received to always give back by helping those in need. In the end, the story of the washerwoman who picked up leftovers from the restaurant was an inspiration to many, reminding us that with hard work, dedication, and a little kindness, anything is possible.